Hello my dear children, how are you all? All of you enjoyed your holidays, right? So after holidays we are back with our studies. Yes, now today LKG children are going to learn a new lesson. You know which lesson is that? All of you look here on the board. Yes, today we are going to learn chapter number 6, I sound words. What we are going to learn children? I sound words. You have already learned A sound words and E sound words. So today we are going to learn I sound words. Now can you see a different objects? Yes, different pictures are there. Look at the first picture. What is that? Correct. It is a bin. And what you do? Yes, we put all the waste things in a bin. We must not throw anywhere. We must always use a bin. Okay. So all of you repeat after me. B-I-N bin. Again children. B-I-N bin. Again. B-I-N bin. Now look here, what is this? Yes, it is a zip. Yes, in your school bag there is a zip, right? In your jacket we use zip, right? So all of you repeat after me. Z-I-P, zip. Again, Z-I-P, zip. Now look here, what is this? Yes, it is a tin. Okay, all of you repeat after me. T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, tin. Once again, T-I-N, tin. Now, can you see here? Yes, you know what is that? It is a first aid kit. We all have it at home, right? Whenever you fall or when you get hurt, what does mummy do? Yes, she take band-aid or cream from this and she applies there, right, where you have hurt. Okay, so this is a kit. So all of you repeat after me. K-I-T, kit. Again children, K-I-T, kit. Now, can you see here what is this? Yes, it is an aquarium. It is a fish tank. And what we see in the fish tank? Correct, we see fish. So, can you see here many fish, right? So, all of you repeat after me. F-I-S-H, fish. Again, F-I-S-H, fish. Once again children, F-I-S-H, fish. Now, can you see? Yes, it is a sea. And what is there in the sea? Correct, it is a ship. Have you seen a ship in water, right? Sailing in water. So, all of you repeat after me. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-I-P, ship. Once again we are going to say S-H-I-P, ship. Now, here we are having a conversation. It is between a teacher and Rahul, right? So, what teacher says? Rahul, can you say vowel sound words in which word sit? Which vowel is used in the word sit? Okay, now you know how many vowels are there, right children? There are 5 vowels. Which are they? A, E, I, O and U. Now, can you see the spelling sit? Tell me, which vowel sound is used? Correct, I. So, what does Rahul say? I sound vowel is used in the word sit. What is used? Yes, correct. I sound vowel is used in the word sit. Now, teacher is asking, say few words with I sound. Now, she is asking all the students. So, when you know what you do, yes, you raise your finger and you answer, right? So, those children are also very good like you all. So, they are also answering teacher. What they are saying? Yes, some of them said bin, B-I-N, bin. Few of them said fin, F-I-N, fin. Now, kit, K-I-T, kit and P-I-N, pin. Okay, can you see that vowel I? Yes, because teacher asked question, what they had to say? They had to say words with I sound. Okay, now we are going to learn few words with I sound. Okay, now look here. All of you have to, and the rhyming sound will remain same. Okay, children, like see here. I-D, here also id. Okay, so all of you repeat after me. D-I-D, did. All of you? D-I-D, did. Now, here, next word. H-I-D, hid. Again, H-I-D, hid. Did means what? When we do some work. We say we did our work. Hid means when we hide. Okay. K-I-D, kid. Again, K-I-D, kid. Kid means small child. L-I-D, lid. L-I-D, lid. Lid means what? When any container is there, any user cover to cover it. That cover we call it a lid. Like in your lunch box. You close your lunch box with a lid, right? Now we are going to learn ig sound words. Okay, that is rhyming sound will be ig. I-G, ig. B-I-G, big. Again children, B-I-G, big. Big means very big, big one. Okay. Now D-I-G, dig. Again, D-I-G, dig. Yes, when we dig a hole, right? It is called a dig. F-I-G, fig. Yes, all of you like eating fig, right? F-I-G, fig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. All of you have seen pig, right? Now we are going to learn words with in. That is rhyming sound will be in now. All of you repeat after me. B, I and bin. Just now only we saw the picture of a bin. It is a dustbin. Okay. B, I and bin. Next, F, I and fin. All of you know what is fin? All of you have seen a fish? Yes, that wings we call it a fin, right? F, I and fin. Now the next word is P, I and pin. Yes, there are many types of pin, like safety pin. The pin which you put in your hair. Okay, all of you repeat. P, I and pin. T, I and tin. Yes, we saw a picture just now of a tin, right? T, I and tin. Now we are going to learn words with rhyming sound it. Can you see here it? At the back rhyming sound is it. Okay, all of you repeat after me. B-I-T, bit. All of you, B-I-T, bit. Next word is H-I-T, hit. When we hit somebody, right? H-I-T, hit. Next is L-I-T, lit. Again, L-I-T, lit. When we light something. S-I-T, sit. Yes, we sit on a chair, right? S-I-T, sit. Okay, children. Now, we are familiar with the words. So, now what we are going to do? Yes, with the use of those words, we are going to make a short sentence. So, what you can do, it is very easy, children. Just look at the picture. Seeing the picture, you will easily able to make a sentence, right? Now, in this picture, what you can see? Yes, there are pins and there is a tin. Okay. Now, where is the pin you can see? Yes, it is inside the tin. So, what we are going to say? Pins in a tin. All of you repeat after me. Pins in a tin. Again, pins in a tin. Okay, now look here. Yes, it is a bin and we must always have a lid to cover the bin. We must not keep it open because it is not good. So, here is a bin and can you see the cover? Lid. We call it a lid, right? So, with this also we can make a sentence. So, all of you repeat after me. A bin with a lid. Again, a bin with a lid. Once again we are going to repeat, children. A bin with a lid. Now, here we are going to do some exercise, correct? So, all of you be ready with your pencil, eraser and a book. Now, look at the first picture. Okay, now there is, yes, there is a picture of a zip. What we are going to do? First we have to, before starting any exercise, children, we have to look at the instruction. Here, circle the correct word. What we are going to do? We have to circle the word. Now, you have to look at the picture. It is very easy. When you see at the picture, you will able to do it. Okay, now see the picture. What is the picture here? Correct. It is a zip. Okay, now two words are given. Z-I-P, zip. T-I-P, tip. Okay, looking at the picture, now we come to know what it is, children. Yes, it is a zip. So, what we are going to circle? Yes, we are going to circle a zip. Very good. Now look at the next picture. Now there is an arrow pointing out something. What is that? There is a pan and it is covered with something. When we cover the thing with what we call that covering? We call it a lid. So here we are having two words, K-I-D, kid, L-I-D, lid. Now what we have to circle, children? Correct. We are going to circle L-I-D, lid. Now same way, again we are having a fish tank, and who lives in that fish tank? Correct, fish. So here also we are having two words, okay? F-I-S-H, fish, D-I-S-H, dish. Now tell me what we have to circle? Correct, we are going to circle F-I-S-H, fish, because here the arrow is showing what is that? Fish. So we are going to circle a fish. Okay children, now what you are going to do? You all are good children. So you are going to sit at home, study well, and this exercise again you can try it at home. Okay children, be a good children. Thank you.